with another episode of the Nolan series. And for today's episode, you can obviously see it's about rainbows. So, a rainbow. A rainbow is light broken down to the 7 basic colors. There are 7 basic colors of the rainbow, or some people think 6, because indigo is basically another shade of blue. I think both, but I mostly think 7 because my age is 7.5, so it's closest. Rainbows, they are made by light. Light gets broken down when it goes through certain things like water or certain kinds of like clear prisms. And it shows what light is made of. Any source of light that you see, you cannot see a rainbow by the human eye. So don't just go looking at the sun seeing, oh, I don't see a rainbow. Rainbows aren't real. But they actually are real because you can't see with the human eye a rainbow made of what light is made out of. You need something to like break it down or something. Like you can't just look at a microscope into light because light is pretty much invisible. Light has to be going through, refracted by water or a certain type of prism. And why that happens is because light travels in waves, and red light waves travel the farthest, and violet light waves or purple light waves travel the shortest. And when they get like bent or like split up by like a certain type of prism or water, then it shows those colors of what light are made of. And it's really cool about rainbows because rainbows can be as many colors as you want. Thousands, millions, billions, trillions. But they're all based off of the basic 7 colors because there's all kinds of shades. And Roy G. Biv stands for all the colors. Roy G. Biv is red, R, orange, O, yellow, Y, green, G, blue, which I like to say light blue, but B, indigo, I, and violet, V. Some people like to say purple, which a lot of people do, and I do too. You can start at any point of the rainbow because the rainbow goes round and round in a circle, as you can see. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, and then it kind of goes back into red because red and yellow make orange, yellow and blue make green, and blue and red make purple. So if you're outside and you see rainbow, then that's because they're really rare because it has really strict conditions that don't happen that much. Here are the conditions when you can most likely see a rainbow. When it's after a storm, and the sun is nice, bright and shining, and it came back out. And if you go outside, a good hint would be if you go outside and take a walk and you see that your shadow is like 10 times taller than you. Because a lot of times when I do that, it is like 10 times longer than me, or taller than me. I don't know why. Probably because the rotation of the earth. It's really cool because a rainbow, it doesn't happen that much, as I just said, but you know, rainbows are just so amazing because it shows every single basic color just made out of light, which is pretty much clear and invisible because you can't see it. Light is everywhere. There's like light in light bulbs. Light bulbs produce light because they have so much energy that they produce light. And it's just so crazy. It's kind of hard to see rainbows because you don't see them much. But you know, if you color on a picture with crayons or something or markers and you see rainbows and you see a rainbow, then you made a rainbow. But it's actually originally made by light, by nature. So I think that's really cool. Rainbows are really exciting. So thanks for watching. Bye, guys!